If you're rocking an F150 with the 3.5 Ecoboost, you already know the factory intake can be a choke point. Heat soak, restricted airflow, and muted turbo sound all hold your truck back from what it should be doing. A good cold air intake fixes that by feeding cooler, denser air, waking up throttle response, and letting those turbos breathe. Links to every intake I mention are down in the video description, so check them out after watching. Starting with Spectre Performance. This one is all about simple gains on a budget. You get a polished aluminum intake tube, a washable red synthetic filter, and a solid two-piece heat shield that helps keep hot engine air out. Reviews usually highlight easy install and a noticeable bump in intake sound. It's not the most high-end option, but for daily driving and light towing, it delivers better airflow and a cleaner engine bay look without breaking the bank. Next up is Volant, and this one plays the airflow efficiency card hard. The high-velocity Venturi adapter smooths air past the mass airflow sensor, which drivers say helps with consistent throttle feel. The oversized airbox pulls in more cold ambient air than stock, and the filter choices are a big win. Power core for set-it-and-forget-it durability, dry filter for easy cleaning, or oiled for max performance. Great option if you drive in dusty or harsh conditions. Now let's talk AFI power. This intake is built for airflow numbers, pushing 675 cubic feet per minute and flowing about 50% more than stock. The oil-free 3-layer synthetic filter is a favorite in reviews because it's easy to maintain. The roto-molded tube and snap-on heat shield make installation quick. No cutting, no drama. Practical gains show up in better turbo response and stronger pull, especially under load. Second on the list is Roush, and this one feels OEM plus in the best way. It offers up to 25% less intake restriction than stock with zero tuning required. The dry, washable filter, sealed airbox, and EPDM rubber couplers are designed to handle engine movement without leaks. Owners love the aggressive induction sound and the fact that it's emissions legal in all 50 states for approved model years. This is a premium, worry-free upgrade, and at number 1, K&N. This intake is a classic for a reason. The roto-molded high-density polyethylene tube and oversized oiled cotton filter are proven to deliver real gains, with published increases of over 12 horsepower and 25 pound-feet of torque. Reviews consistently mention strong throttle response and long service intervals, up to 100,000 miles under normal driving. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it's a solid long-term performance mod. So there you have it, some of the best cold air intakes you can bolt onto a 3.5 Ecoboost F150. Whether you want budget gains, maximum airflow, or a factory-engineered feel, there's an option here for you. Don't forget, all the product links are in the video description. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more truck mods and real-world reviews.